Are you getting annoyed by the Pnidui Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Quickly resolve Pnidui library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Pnidui library, the Network Connection Status UI library. It manages the localized rendering of network icons in the system tray, Taskbar. It bridges the Network List Service, NLS, to the visual shell, displaying localized status for Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and VPN connections. Corruption causes the network icon to disappear or report unknown status. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Pnidui is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Pnidui library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Pnidui Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Pnidui library and system efficiency. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Pnidui library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.